Hey, so do you know the best way to get people to stop smoking is to get them to talk themselves out of it? Now, you might think, well, how do you do that? Because, there's been a lot of focus over the last few years about, using packaging of cigarettes that has graphic images or using lots of public education campaigns. Not a lot of them actually really work in the long term, but one campaign really did, and it was in Thailand. The Thai health authorities sent out a whole lot of people into the community asking smokers for a light. Now, that's like the universal thing that every smoker's like, yep, cool, I'll give you a light. That's just one of those unspoken rules. But on this occasion, when people asked for a light, those asking for the light got back a lecture. They got a lecture from the person smoking saying, no, I'm not going to give you a light. You can't smoke. Don't you know smoking will kill you? Don't you know you need surgery if you get throat cancer? And the irony was these were smokers that stopped smoking just long enough to give the lecture. Now, why'd they do this? Because the people asking for the light were 10-year-old kids. And this was one of the most extraordinary examples of, as soon as this happened, the kids gave the smoker a little note saying, you care about me, why not about yourself? And it had the phone number for a hotline for quitting smoking. Within a month, 30% jump in people calling that hotline. And that number stayed elevated for many, many, many months afterwards. Because when people heard themselves giving reasons for why they should do something, they actually listened. And there's something in that for all of us as we try to change minds. For more tips from my latest book, Mind Stuck, stay tuned.